A person, namely Vaibhav Thakur, in the April this year, approached Goa government presenting himself as owner of a gold company and requested that he wants to donate 31 laptops which can be given to Goa police. Goa government happily accepted his proposal, and under the CSR he donated 31 laptops which were finally given to Goa police. A post related with this CSR donation can be seen on the official X handle of CMO Goa dated 4th April. But now that person, Vaibhav Thakur, is arrested by Mumbai police for allegedly cheating a jeweler to the tune of 2.83 crore rupees. According to Mumbai police, this person impersonated as official of Maharashtra CMO and then cheated that jeweler. We have cross-checked with Goa police, but there is no such complaint against this Vaibhav Thakur in the state of Goa till now. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.